Welcome to Renita's Bong Cookhouse. Today I will prepare Mutton Mete, Chochori or mutton or goat liver curry. It's a family recipe that I will share with you. It was one of my aunt's killer recipes. She nailed special occasions with this recipe. It is one of my favorite recipes. I'll show you how I cook it. It is a side dish that can be served with Indian rice recipes and Indian breads. It can be served with main course as well as snacks like luchi or poori, parathas, etc. It can also be used as an ingredient for making goat liver biriyani. If you are like me, you can also have it as it is. If you like the recipe, then please click the like, subscribe and bell icons below so that I can share more recipes with you. The ingredients we need are goat liver or mutton mete 450 gram cut in mid-size cubes, diced potato 2 medium, skin is peeled off and cut into small cubes, finely chopped onion 1 large, grinded ginger and garlic 1 tablespoon each, grind it in mortar and pestle or hamandista, salt to taste, turmeric powder 1.5 tablespoon, Kashmir red chili powder 2/3 tablespoon. If regular red chili powder is used, then 2 to 3 teaspoon because it is hotter than the Kashmiri red chili powder. Diced tomato 2 medium, cut into cubes. Tomato puree can also be used. Green chilies 4 to 7 sliced in the middle. Finely chopped coriander leaves or cilantro half cup. Bay leaf 1, red chili 1, garam masalas comprising of crushed cardamom 4, cloves 4, cinnamon stick 1 long. Crushed masalas comprising of crushed cumin 1 tablespoon and crushed coriander seeds 1 tablespoon. They are crushed in the mixer and grinder using the chopping option twice. Whole shahi masala comprising of kebab chini 4, maize or jaggery half flour, star anise or star moshla 1, curd half cup, mustard oil 3 tablespoon, refined oil 11 tablespoon, lemon juice 1, optional. To make mutton mete chochori, we first have to marinate the mutton liver. For that, in a bowl, take mutton liver, curd, turmeric powder about half tablespoon, Kashmiri red chili powder about half tablespoon, salt about 1 teaspoon and about 3 tablespoons of mustard oil. Mix them well and marinate for 30 minutes to 1 hour. We can also add a mixture of 2 tablespoons of grinded onion, ginger, garlic and green chili or paste, but this is optional. While the meat is marinating, we need to fry the potatoes. For that, we need to heat about 1 tablespoon of refined oil in a pan. Add about 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder to the oil. Then add the potatoes and about half teaspoon of salt. Mix them well and saute till golden brown in medium to high heat. Take off the pan and keep aside. Then we have to make the masala. For that, heat about 10 tablespoons of refined oil in a pan. Add the bay leaf and red chili. Saute for 30 seconds in low heat. Add the shahi masalas and garam masalas. Saute for 30 seconds in low heat. Add the crushed masalas. Saute them again in low heat till golden brown. Add the onion and saute till brown in medium to high heat. Add the ginger and garlic. Saute in medium to high heat till golden brown. Then add about 1 teaspoon of turmeric and about 1 teaspoon of Kashmiri red chili powder. Saute for 30 seconds. Add the tomato. Saute for 5 to 7 minutes in medium to high heat. With a spatula, we can break the larger tomato chunks and mash it, but this is optional. Once the masala is ready, we can cook the mutton liver. For that, To the masalas, add the marinated meat, mix them well with the masalas. Cover the pan with a lid and cook for 5 to 7 minutes in medium to high heat. After 5 to 7 minutes, open the lid, stir for 1 minute. Add about 2 tablespoons of mustard oil. This gives a unique flavor to the curry. And green chilies, about 4. Mix them well. Cover the pan with the lid and cook for 5 to 7 minutes in medium to high heat. After 5 to 7 minutes, open the lid, stir for 1 minute. Transfer the meat to the pressure cooker. Add about 2 cups of water. Water used here is a mixture of water and the masalas left in the pan. And potato. If we are using lemon juice, then add the lemon juice. It is optional. Mix well. Pressure cook for 8 to 9 minutes in medium to high heat. After 8 to 9 minutes, open the pressure cooker. Stir for 1 minute. Taste it and add whatever is required. I've added about 3 green chilies slit in the middle, chopped coriander and about a half cup of water. And about half teaspoon of salt. Pressure cook in medium to high heat for 8 to 10 minutes. After 8 to 10 minutes, open the pressure cooker lid, stir for 1 minute. To test how much the meat is done, take the liver and poke it with a knife or fork. In our case, it goes through easily. It means the liver is done. Check the potato in the same way. Taste it, add whatever is required. My Mete chochchori is good. If you like a denser and drier version of this curry, then cook in low to medium heat for another 8 to 9 minutes without a lid so that the water in the curry evaporates. Please try it at home. Share it with your friends and family. Please encourage me by leaving a comment. You can also follow me on Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram. The links and recipe are given in the description box. Bye for now. Stay healthy, eat healthy, and enjoy life.